I'm super excited because like we promised you in the last episode, today we're going to finally be updating our workshop and making it a beautiful, happy place to work in. So let's go ahead. So right now we've been moving around a lot. So I have my personal embroidery stuff in a suitcase. I'm actually gonna take out all that stuff and put it in these bins, which we already owned. We didn't buy these new. I did buy those vacuum bags. So let's start with that. I like to always start with like the harder, more tedious things first, like the bigger things, and then just to make space. And then I'm gonna go into the cubbies and dress them up, make them look nice. So just take a look around and soak it all in, because after today, this is no longer. Other than that, let's go ahead and jump right in and see what we can turn this room into. My lovely, lovely videographer, Ronnie, he will be helping me out. So you might see a guy with a blue shirt popping in and out. So my friends, do not be alarmed. It's going to get worse before it gets better, but trust me, it's gonna get a whole lot better. Let's see, supposedly this provides 3 times more space. So let's see if that's true. I've never used one of these. Let's see if it was worth my strong American dollar. I'm worried about the fabric being wrinkled, but I can always iron it. This one is pretty vacuum sealed, so that's taking up minimal space. I'm already sweating. What I'm doing right now is that the stuff that's not specifically embroidery related, like this yarn or this ribbons, more so just craft related, I'm putting in these white boxes so I know. And then the stuff that is embroidery related, I'm putting in these little blue boxes, just such as like the bobbin and the binder clips. It already feels cleaner. I can just imagine while we're working on something, just reaching in here. Just feels right, feels good. Some jewelry making that I did that had to do with embroidered jewelry. So I'm gonna put those pliers in here. I like this little thread rack. I feel like I want to do something with it, like color coordinate it maybe, to make it really efficient. Do some cleaning. It's actually not as bad as I thought it would be. All right, so I got this very cute little trio of plants right here. And then I thought of putting it inside this little white little bin for flowers. So I tried out the 3, but I felt like I wanted it to be more packed. So I bought a 4th one to kind of squeeze in there. So I'm just gonna unpack this and we're gonna see how it looks. Go ahead and bring it up there and see what it looks like. So same thing with Ikea, you can buy these little plants separate and then buy the flower pots. I think this was like $1.99, which I was so happy about. And there's a bunch of different colors of these to choose from and they really make the room pop. So I definitely wanted a nice pop of color and I really like how the pink goes with this like lime green little flower. I love it personally. I really love how this combines. What do you guys think? I love that. It's definitely bringing it to life and it's in the Ricoma colors, so I love it.
Day 2.
All right, so just wanted to give you guys an update of where we're at right now. As you can see, I'm wearing different clothes because it did run until the end of the day, so we had to finish today. So I wanted to give you an update of where we're at. I went ahead and organized everything already. I have the fabrics packed away, the blanks packed away. I put the needles in their place, clips in their place. Everything is labeled. And I have finished up the top shelves and that's starting to look really nice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to hang up the paintings so I can just feel like the room is coming to life. All right, so I went ahead and I dressed up the cubbies as best as I can with what I have on hand. Now, I kind of had an idea as I was dressing up the cubbies. It wasn't really my idea, but I'm gonna take credit for it. It was the videographer's idea. But he said that we should challenge you guys to send us a nice project so that we can put in the back of our cubbies, and of course we will credit you guys. So if you guys want to do that, send us a nice project. I would love to, you know, put some nicer, more updated pieces in here. So I hope that you guys can help me out with the cubby situation, but let's move forward from that. I want to show you guys the little station that I set up right here. So this right here is gonna be like a little like vision or a mood board, and in here I have some nice little pieces that I want to add to it. And I was also thinking, since I couldn't find a use for the flowers because I didn't have enough rocks for the other vase, I was thinking of picking out some of those flowers and just hot glue gunning them to the ends of the board just to dress it up and just make it look a lot more lively. This is another great find that I found at Ikea. It's efficient because I can put my tools here and I can just easily reach for them.
3 hours later.
So overall, everything went really smoothly. The only thing that I would probably take back is that I would probably take inventory of what I have first and then make a note, kind of get an idea of what you want, even though you will get ideas there like I did. Something that I'm really glad I did was that I did not hold back when it came to purchasing storage, and I just made sure that it was visually appealing. That's why I picked the little blue bins from the Dollar Tree, and I also picked some blue fabric bins as well. Before, what we had were actual just like cardboard boxes. So this is a huge upgrade, and it's something that really just isn't that expensive, and you can just grab all the random things that you have in your room and consolidate them to really just get rid of the mess and just feel so much better. Wanted it to be more organized and efficient, and we achieved that, but at the same time I just feel so much better being in here. It really does improve your mood just doing a few updates to your current space. So before we go, I just wanted to remind you guys to join our Facebook group, Embroidery and Custom Apparel Mastery. In there we have tons of embroiderers who are constantly posting pictures of their workspace, and you guys know that I'm going to be posting a picture of this beautiful workspace now. So if you also want to share your workspace or even just get ideas from what other people are doing to stay organized and efficient, then definitely join the group. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you liked what you saw, then definitely like this video, subscribe, and leave us a comment telling us why you liked it and if you want to see more of these types of videos. Anybody would kill to get to spend the whole day with me. Ah! Please tell me we can reverse this. I'm just gonna distribute these evenly. Ooh! I'm glad you got that. We have a set going on, man. Like, I feel like this is so cute. Sorry, you should have gotten that excitement. Oh, you got it?